What makes a great IT company? Cutting-edge projects by innovative software engineers, diversified expertise, advanced management, world's top companies as clients. But what exactly makes it perfect? First of all, you need people.
Me?
Yeah, all these people who devote themselves to their job, who can't imagine doing anything else, who strive to deliver perfect software, who leverage the latest and most effective UI/UX practices, for whom transparency is the #1 priority. What else? You are right. Approach makes a difference. From full cycle of software engineering to dedicated development center, resources to satisfy each need you might have. Every project is executed in dedicated branded space. All the products are strongly protected. This is the way to grow your business faster. But there is still one more thing. Yeah, I mean passion. An acute desire to change the world. A successful team is the one that helps each client achieve their goals. Now it's perfect. IT is perfectual.